guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Chanel Khan. If you are new here, welcome, and let's get straight into the video. Today I'm showing you guys how I achieve this beautiful hair from CONROW. It is their ocean wave hair in the color 1B in the length 14 inches. Now guys, this hair is giving bundles. It's just, oh, I love this hair. When you first open up the packet, you would get a cute little card from CONROW giving you all the details about the hair. This hair is synthetic hair, but it is good quality synthetic hair. It's not giving the super shiny fake hair look. It honestly gives bundles. Like, I'm not joking, guys. This hair, you should get your hands on it. Trust me, it's affordable. And you can rock this hairstyle for at least 2 weeks before it starts to look, a bit frizzy on you. But girl, trust me, you need this in your life. In this hair, you would get a packet of 8 packs of hair. And in each packet, you would have like 14 to 18 strands in each packet, which is basically enough to complete this hairstyle. And today I'll be doing the lazy girl method. Like, I had no time to put no braids in my hair, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun. So I slick my hair in a bun using the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel, which is one of my favorite hair gels to slick my hair with. And I decided to go with the side part because I really wanted my hair to fall in a side part. I feel like it suits me best. So it's up to you. You can definitely do a center part if you like. Once you're done with that, you're gonna get ready to start crocheting. And what I love about this package is that you already get the crochet pin. So it's like you buy that one purchase and you get everything that you need. You don't need to run to the store. You don't need to do anything. You have enough hair and you have the crochet pin. You literally just have to prep your hair for the hairstyle. So now I'm taking out the hair in the packet, and you guys, this hair is really soft. It's light, it's bouncy, it's voluminous. It's really not giving crochet hair. Like, I don't know what CONROW is doing, but they're doing something right. You guys, I can't stop saying how much I love this hair. And this post is not sponsored. Like, I'm genuinely putting you guys on. Like, once I love something, I'm gonna let you guys know. You need to go buy it. So I'm just showing you guys the amount of strands that come in the package right here. So it's really enough. If you wanted your hair to have more volume, you can definitely use more packets. If you wanted to give that natural type of look, you can use less hair. So what I did is that when I was installing the hair, instead of using the entire strand, I split that in two. But you want to be careful because you cannot up the hair, because again, this is synthetic hair. It is not human hair. So you want to take your time while doing this. When you take the strand of hair, you would see where it kind of naturally wants to separate. That's where you go in and separate the hair. And once you do that, you kind of want to pull on it to smoothen it out, to remove any frizz that would have come about from separating the hair. So this is a demonstration to show you guys how easy it is to crochet the hair onto your hair. You just open the latch hook, then you put the crochet hair into the latch hook, you close it, you pull it through, and then you knot the hair. When I'm doing the back section, I want to make sure that I push the latch hook downward so that the hair lays nice and flat and it's not bulky. So what I did is that I made 2 knots in the hair instead of 1, so that the hair is really secure, and you want to pull at the base so that the hair doesn't slide out. And I am showing you this video in real time. I did not want to speed it up because I want you to see exactly what I did so you guys can really understand. And if you realize, I didn't start directly at the nape of my hair because I didn't want to add too much tension on my, well, they call it a kitchen, but in the back of my hair, my edges. You want to make sure that you're taking your time while inserting the crochet pin into your hair, because it can tug on your hair and you don't want to cause unnecessary breakage. So take your time, make sure that the latch hook is closed while inserting the pin into your hair, and then you open it after it is through. So yeah, you just want to make sure that you cover up the bun. If you're using this lazy girl method, you want to ensure that you're crocheting the hair onto the bun as well, because when your hair falls, you don't want the bun to be showing. And trust me, it would not be showing, except somebody is like really into your hair, like up close and personal. Maybe if the wind blows too hard, maybe, but other than that, like, this technique disguises the bun perfectly. So I just randomly crocheted the hair onto the bun. You don't want to put the hair so close together, because the closely you crochet the hair together, the end result, you would have to end up using more hair and your hair would look bigger. So if you're going for the look, you can definitely do that, but I wanted a natural voluminous look, so I spaced out the crochet in my hair. So you just want to go ahead and take your time and complete that. And this is how my hair is looking thus far, and as you can see, the bun is completely covered, and you know, the hair is looking really good. I'm liking how it's looking so far, and this is just 2 packets. Yep, just 2 packets. And here we have my hair. I'm almost done, and you just want to go ahead and apply the same steps until your hair is finished. When you're getting closer to the parting space, you want to make sure that you incorporate the invisible method. And I would be showing you guys how I did the invisible method without the braids. As I'm going closer and closer to the parting space, I started to use smaller sections of hair. So instead of splitting the hair into 2 sections, I split the hair into 3 sections, so that the hair gets just a little bit thinner coming to the parting, and it's not as full and dense as the rest of the hair. I really wanted to go for a super natural look, so you can utilize that tip if you're going for a natural look. Now, if while you're crocheting the hair into your own hair and you see any white residue, that's just from the gel, so you don't have to be alarmed. That would not be flaking, it will be fine. Don't worry about that. So this is how the hair is looking so far. I just have a little section left, and I would be using the invisible method very soon, so you guys want to pay very close attention to that, because you don't want to have the knots in front of your head. You want to make sure that, you know, you can actually fake it. You gotta fake it until you make it, girl. You know, nobody needs to know that it's crochet, okay? For the invisible part method, you want to insert the crochet needle into your hair, open the latch, put the hair through the loop, close the latch, and pull the hair through. No, before knotting the hair, you would pass the hair through the loop, but you're only gonna pass one strand of hair through the loop and then pull. So if you look closely, after I loop the hair, I am only looping one strand before I knot it. I hope that makes sense. So that way you won't see the knot at the front of your head. I mean, this was my first time doing the invisible part method, and don't come for me if I didn't get it completely right, but the knot isn't showing, so I guess, you know, it's working. But yeah, that's how you do the invisible part. So instead of looping the two strands of hair through the loop, you want to just do one strand through the loop and then tie the knot. So this is the hair completed. I actually went back after I filmed this video and I added more hair closer to the parting space because I didn't like that space there. But for now this would do, and I really like it. So I wanted to cut the hair so that it could look more voluminous. I didn't like some of the ends, how they were looking. So I also wanted to frame the shape of my face. I didn't want all the hair to be the same length, so I cut the bottom of the hair and I also framed a little bit to the front of my face, giving it more shape and more volume. If you like, you can leave the hair just as is, but if you want to add, you know, a little bit more pizzazz and give it more of a shape, then you definitely can. You just want to take your time going strand by strand or section by section so that you can have more control over the amount that you're cutting. And as you can see, I'm fluffing my hair and lifting it as I'm going so I can see exactly where the hair is falling. Again, you know, you don't have to be a pro at trimming hair or cutting hair. You just basically have to look where the hair is falling and how you want it to frame your face. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Look at how your hair is falling and how you want the hair to frame your face, and that's your guide. It's easy. You got this, girl. You got this. This is how the hair is looking after I trimmed it, and I absolutely love it. If you're seeing any loose ends or any ends that is too long, then you just go ahead and cut it. I just wanted to get a rounder shape or a more blunt cut in the bottom, so I went in and I chopped off just a little smidget. Again, you know, try not to get too scissor happy because you don't want to chop off too much of hair, but I definitely love this length. So I think in total I probably cut off like maybe an inch and a half, almost 2 inches of hair. But I just love the fullness that it is giving. Like, you, oh, like this right there, this is salon results. It's giving salon results. Now I know I can definitely add more hair in the parting, and I did after this video, so you're not gonna see right now, but here is the final results. I laid my edges, and girl, this hair is just everything. Like, this hair is just giving grown and sexy. I love it. It has movement, it has body, it has shine. It's just, it's not giving crochet, because you know, like back in the day we had that thing about crochet, we don't want crochet because it used to like just give ugly and bulky. But this right here, this is good quality, and as you can see, the hair flows really nicely. It's light. It's, you just need to buy it. You just need to go on the Toyotra's site and pick up this hair today. You can get this done yourself. Trust me, you don't have to know how to braid. Once you know how to put your hair in a bun, girl, you're good. Just look at the body. Look at the shine. Up close, you can't even tell that I have my hair in a bun. Yes, yes. I'm gonna show you guys a up close shot. I absolutely love this hair, and it's really not hard to maintain. At night I just do 6 big twists and put it in a bonnet, and I take it out in the morning and put some foam, and boom, it's good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're not following me on Instagram, please check out my Instagram page, and don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.